Welcome everybody, we're still at ScrewFix Live 2025 and I'm on the Brady stand with Liz, who's going to tell us all about label printing. Now, if you're into your label printing and keeping things organised, the Brady printer is what you're wanting to be purchasing, which you can actually get through ScrewFix. So we'll swivel the camera around and we'll have a quick look at it and a chat with Liz. Introduce yourself, Liz, please.
Liz from Brady Corporation. We're based in Farnborough. We're a global company. And we've been around for over 100 years. This is our mobile printer, portable M211. It works in the mobile app. The cartridges have got the ribbon and the material in there. You can have heat shrink sleeve material which shrinks onto the cable, wrap around. There's even a Velcro label for Brady wrap. It sits nicely. It's got a tool connection for your belt. When you print the label, would you like to print the label for me onto here? Sorry. Print the label, please. Okay. So from the mobile app, you can use text. You can scan a image and it will convert that into a text. You can voice control it, so speak to it and ask it to print a label of 50 millimeters, count 1, 2, 3, 4, serialize. The nice thing is that it's a lock and load, so you just drop it down, press the button at the back. Don't print yet. Have you printed? Don't do it yet. Yeah, it's fine. I'll lock it and it should print now. When it connects. Done it?
Is that the Bluetooth light on the front then? Yeah.
Bluetooth, battery, USB charger.
Yeah.
All day print. They're printed from the phone and there's the label there. And you can, there's a little tiny exposed edge so you can take it off really quickly and put it onto your panel. So you can use it for breakers, circuit breakers, wrapping around a cable, general labeling. It's indoor, outdoor proof, vinyls of colours. So all your toolboxes, all your cables, all your breakers, anything.
But as we're a painting and decorating channel,
yes,
we can label up the tins for customers.
Absolutely.
And make it all nice and neat.
Yeah,
so
as well.
So they know what paint they've had.
Yes, you can put a QR code that will, when they scan that, it'll take them back to your page or your website or your name, address. So yeah, you can print anything on these printers. Use it yourself or for your business. That's
brilliant. What else have you got on stand today?
This is the mobile one, but this one here is with a keyboard. Doesn't connect to the your Bluetooth.
No.
It's keyboard operated, but it has the same functionality otherwise.
Yeah.
They can be drop tested. Yeah. So it's a 6-foot drop test. So it's meant for the job.
Yeah.
So it does the job. Nothing. If pieces come off, just put it back together and it'll work fine.
What prices are we doing those then today, and what are they normally?
We're doing a 20% off sale for ScrewFix. So the portable one is 110.40. That does come with a cartridge in it, and then the other one is 91 with the keyboard is 91.
So to an electrician, that's like half an hour's work.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, really quick. Yeah. And you can scan a barcode and you could get a free of charge.
Yeah.
Not a free of charge. You can win one.
Let's try and get that on. Hold it still.
It's only for the weekend though.
Only for the weekend. So when you watch this, it might have expired, but this is what we've got. And actual refills of the actual tape that you use, are they interchangeable between either unit?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the same one will go between the two.
Yeah.
And so then these prices are about 30 quid.
Yeah, £23.91 for the narrow version. So you get a 9.53. There's a 12.7 in the middle, so that's ½ inch.
Yeah.
And a 3/4 19 mil. Yeah. Different materials.
Right. So if you are an electrician that's in the market for wanting more label printing machinery, Brady is the company to go to.
Definitely. Well, ScrewFix.
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 Available
ScrewFix Live.
Thank you very much, Liz. That's brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you.